Hey there, investors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into what happened with TQQQ this week. If you're new here, TQQQ is the ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ ETF, which aims to provide 3 times the daily performance of the NASDAQ 100 index. It's a leveraged ETF, so things can get pretty volatile. First off, let's talk about Monday. The week started with a bang, as TQQQ saw a 2% jump, driven by strong performances from big tech stocks like Apple and Microsoft. Investors were bullish on tech after a series of positive earnings reports, which set a positive tone for the week. Moving on to Tuesday, we saw some profit-taking. TQQQ dipped by about 1.5%, as traders locked in gains from the previous day. This is pretty common for leveraged ETFs, given their high volatility. However, the dip was short-lived. Wednesday brought some midweek excitement. TQQQ surged by 3% following a surprise announcement from the Federal Reserve. They decided to keep interest rates unchanged, which was a big relief for tech investors. The NASDAQ 100 index, which TQQQ tracks, responded positively, leading to significant gains. The volatility was driven by mixed economic data, showing a resilient job market but also rising inflation concerns. Investors were a bit jittery, but ultimately, the tech sector's strength helped TQQQ close in the green. Now let's talk about Friday. The market was closed for the 4th of July holiday, so we didn't see any trading action. But looking at the week as a whole, TQQQ ended up about 4% higher. Not too shabby for a leveraged ETF. So what does this mean for TQQQ investors? Well, the key takeaway is that TQQQ remains a high-risk, high-reward investment. This week was a perfect example of the volatility you can expect. If you're considering adding TQQQ to your portfolio, make sure you're comfortable with the potential for big swings. All right, that wraps up this week's TQQQ update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and happy investing.